Hello viewers, welcome to your favorite channel Rising Legal. Today in this copyright class, I am going to discuss an important topic, that is ownership rights of copyright. At first we try to understand who is the author and ownership right of the copyright. Viewers, ownership of copyright and rights of the copyright owners are dealt under section 17 and 18 of the Copyright Act. An author may create a work on his own behalf or at the instances of another persons for a valuable consideration, or with the course of employment by another person. In that particular matter, the first case, the author is the owner of the copyright in the work, that is book writer, music composer. In the second case, the person at whose instance the work is made is the owner of the copyright work. In the case of third category, the ownership depends upon the nature of employment. Section 13, subsections 2 of that Copyright Act provides that the nationality of the person is the important factor to get the right of the copyright. Now viewers, we actually enter the next portion, that is the first owner of the copyright, or actually we try to understand who is the first owner of the copyright in detail. Section 17 of the Copyright Act clearly provides that the author of a work shall be the first owner of the copyright. Sections 2D provides that the author means in relation to a literary or dramatic work, the author. Second is that in relation to a musical work, the composer. Third is that in relation to an artistic work, the artist. Fourth is that in relation to a photograph, the photographer. Next, that is in relation to a cinematograph, film or sound recording, the producer. Next, in relation to any literary, dramatic, musical or artistic work which is a computer generated, the person who causes the work to be created. So these are the viewers actually first owner of the copyright. Now we actually go to the next portion of the discussion, that is persons other than the author as the first owner. This section also provides that even though the following classes of the persons are not the authors, yet become the first owners of the copyright of a work under certain circumstances. Section 17, subsection A, it provides that the proprietor of a newspaper, magazine or a periodical. Second, section 17, subsection B, it mentions that the persons who has paid valuable consideration for the work. Next, section 17, subsection C, that the employer. Thereafter, section 17, subsection CC, that is speaker or whose behalf address is made or delivered. Next is that section 17, subsections D, that is government in case of a governmental work. Next, section 17 clause DD, subsections DD, sorry, that is the public undertaking. And next is that is section 17 subsection E, that is international organization. So these are the person other than the author as the first owner, which was mentioned under the Copyright Act. Now next discussion is that, next portion I am going to discussion, that is work of joint authorship or joint author. Section 2 subsection Z provides that work of a joint authorship means a work produced by the collaboration of two or more authors in which the contribution of one author is not distinct from the contribution of the author or authors. Now next is that is the right of the author of the copyright. Now viewers, I am going to discuss the right of the author of the copyright. Sections 14 of this act provides the copyright is an exclusive right to do or authorize the doing of any of the following act in respect of a work or any substantial part thereof. Namely, in case of a dramatic work, copyright means exclusive right. What are those part of that? That is the reproduce the work, to communicate or perform the work in the public, then to issue copies of the work in the public. Another is that to include the work of any cinematograph film, to make any adaptation of the work, and last is that to make a translation of the work. Now viewers, I am going to another portion, that is in case of a musical work, copyright means the exclusive right regarding to reproduce the work. Second thing is that to issue copies of the work to the public. Third thing is that to perform work in the public. Fourth is that to communicate the work to the public. Next is that to make cinematograph film or sound recording. Thereafter, to make any translation of the work. Lastly, to make any adaptation of the work. Now next thing is that in case of artistic work, copyright means exclusive right regarding to reproduce the work, to communicate the work to the public, to issue the copies of the work to the public, thereafter to include the work in any cinematograph film, to make any adaptation of the work. Now viewers, I am going to discuss on the next phase, that is in case of cinematograph film, the copyright is an exclusive right regarding to make copy of the film, including a photograph of any image. Next, to sell or give on hire or offer for sale or hire a copy of a film. Now next is that to communicate the cinematograph film in the public. Now viewers, I am going to the next phase of the discussion, that is in case of a record, copyright means the exclusive right regarding to make any other record embodying the same recording. Second thing is that to cause the record to be heard in public. Third is that to communicate the recording by radio diffusion. Now next is that is in case of a sound recording, copyright means exclusive right to make any other sound recording embodying. And second is that to seller to sell or offer or give on hire any copy of the sound recording. Thereafter, to communicate the sound recording to the public. So viewers, that is our actually today's in copyright discussion, that who is the author and the ownership right of the copyright. Hopefully you understand that particular topic. Thank you for watching our channel Rising Legal. Thank you to all of you.